Hi, I am Dr. Kaushik Rao, librarian of Marwadi University, Rajkot. I have been associated with Marwadi University from the last 14 years. Library, the learning resource center where tradition meets innovation to provide an unparalleled academic experience. Our collection covers an extensive range of print and digital resources, catering to diverse academic and cultural interests. Our holdings include a comprehensive selection of books, journals, and e-resources. In addition to our general collection, we provide house of unique assembly of seminal text essentials for understanding Indian culture and spirituality. It includes the Vedas, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Go Mandal, and the constitutions of India. Our library system is fully equipped with a UNIRP software integration with RFID technology to ensure the seamless and efficient borrowing and returning of books. Specially designed self-kiosks to make process even more convenient, allowing for quick self-service. Our e-resources lab with over 50 computer systems provide access to various subscribed e-journals, e-books, and other digital content. We also promote open access resources in all domains, and we host all resources in our library website and the mobile application. We are proud to have a Guinness World Record for the most people participating in the relay reading in the year 2015. 3,071 students, staff, and faculty members participated in this record, and the record is still intact. The Learning Resource Center of Marwadi University is more than just a library. It is the heart of our academic community. To discover knowledge at the Marwadi University Library, thank you very much.